all. Alright guys, here we are with the 24 hours officially. I'm about to start it. This is the early morning. You can see what we have here. We got a pink milk. I hope it's pink, by the way. Yeah, and I have my waffles right on the side here. The big waffle, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna use that for dessert later on. Anyway, before all that, make sure to drop one of these. Sub to the channel if it's your first time out here. Share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here and we love your support. So it's the 24 hours pink food only. Okay, I'm gonna be munching only pink food for 24 hours. Okay, shout out to Super Mamush and the kids, by the way. Okay, let's get down to business, man. Let's do it to do it, people. Let's do it to do it. Pink Panther waffle. Let's do it. Let's do it. What it do? What it do? What it do, man? Okay. What the heck? Oh, this is pretty heavy, man. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to heat that up. Damn it. Way too heavy, you know. In the UK, we don't have the same stuff as in America, as in the US or Canada, so it's pretty different, but I'm gonna manage it one way or the other. So now I'm gonna use the waffle to drop that in for a good sport. This is not what I usually eat in the morning, believe me, but for a good sport, you know, gotta keep the challenge going. 24 hours pink food challenge. I think that should be enough. I don't want to vomit. So yeah, you get my spoon. I may have to drain this, like, I think. Let me eat this part first. Gonna have to excuse the noise that I'm making whilst eating. As part of the competition, I have to show you that I'm eating and drinking. Unfortunately, I haven't got a camera on my face. I'm filming by myself, so I have to yeah, not bad. But I don't think it's something that you can have every day though. Early in the morning. This will do you if you go into the gym, for example. Yeah, this will be alright. And you know, the recipe is not bad. It's not too sugary. Yeah, this is good. I like it. I like it. I like it. It's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. I don't know if it's good for no, it's not good for vegans. More than that. So that was my breakfast. Okay. So keep on watching. I hope you're enjoying yourself anyway. Drop a like. Alright. Talk among yourself about what we do out here. We love you all here and we love your support, guys. Let's do it, man. Let's keep it moving, man. I'll see you in the bit. So I'm gonna get the onions, garlic, and all that good stuff ready. Pink challenge. So I'm gonna be cooking the salmon. Okay, that's pink obviously. The rice is cooking. Rice cooking right there. It's not pink, but that will do it. A little peri in there. Alright. Chili. Don't worry, the salmon is coming. That's the pink salmon. Okay, get it ready. salmon. And then, so that's the evening meal. We're hitting the 24 hours challenge of the pink, all pink food, by the way, all pink. All right. Get down to business before this thing burn. Pink salt. Pink salt. Finished product. Looking pretty nice and juicy, lovely, and tasty. Your grandma will slap somebody for this. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, does it look tasty? I'm about to tack in a minute. I got V2 pink. Alright, this is a fizzy drink. Vimto. Alright. Pour that in here. One note. Yes. Got another one. Nice and bubbly. This is pretty pink. It's not red. It looks a little bit red on the camera, but it's not red. It's pink. Munch, man. It's time to munch. Bon appetit to me, man. It's pretty nice. Very, very healthy. Unfortunately, I've not got a pink water. Alright, I will have normal water and more fizzy drink. I'm gonna have a pink fizzy drink, so wait for it. Alright, finito. So I don't know if on camera this looks pink, but this is now a pink drink. Alright, fruit punch, sparkly. Okay, that's a pinky drink. Not as healthy as the meal itself, but you know what? I'm just have to do with what I've got. Oh yeah, baby. I'll have the pleasure to finish it up. Yeah, this tastes good. Wow. Superb. Ching. Wow. Beautiful. So that's the dinner done with. I'm gonna be going for dessert in a minute. So by the way, for dinner and lunch, I had the same meal, which is rice, salmon. Okay, I didn't show that on camera. Pretty sorry for that. You saw me cooking, chatting there. So right about now, I'm gonna make my dessert. Okay, with pink panther waffles. Okay, let's hit it, man. Let's hit it. What it do, man. I will be utilizing this as well. This is strawberry sauce. Okay, So I'm making everything from scratch, alright? I'm gonna make the dessert from scratch. Pink dessert, yogurt, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna utilize this as well. So these, very simple. Funny right now. And believe me, this is tasty. Very, very sugary. What I'm up to right now today. Sometime now. Just needs to spread yourself. You can do more exercise today. So you can crumble it. Then I'm gonna finish it off with this little beauty right here. Okay. And now, just put it on top, decorate, and make it look number one, nice and tasty. So I'm not gonna overdo it because this is too much sugar right now. So this is what it looks like. Okay. And we'll be finished. Time to have it, man. You gotta have it, man. It's not bad. You know what? For the challenge, I've been a very good sport. I made it, tested it. It's fine. It's too, it's too sugary for me. So that note, I think I'm gonna stop you here. If not, it's a very, very nice dessert, nice idea. Let me see. Oh well. I'm taking back what I said. This is nice. It's all the dinner. My lunch, dinner, is twice the same. Okay, I didn't want to make it too complicated for myself. In England, you can't find the UK, you can't find a lot of those American stuff here. So there you go. So on that note, ladies and gents, boys and girls, I hope this was useful. And this is pretty much the end of the challenge. The 24 hours. Okay, eating nothing but pink food. Alright, if you have enjoyed, make sure to share the video, sub to the channel if it's your first time out here, drop one of these. Keep it safe, keep it late, and thanks for watching. We shall surely see you on the next one. Let's do it, people. Bang bang. Peace out. Peace.